Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to prepare this super juicy, delicious stuffed chicken breast with sun-dried tomatoes, goat cheese, spinach, and mozzarella cheese, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can always get notified when I post new videos, guys. Now, let us cook. So okay guys, let's go over ingredients for our stuffed chicken breast. There we have sun-dried tomatoes, goat cheese. I also have spinach and some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese. I also have my season, which include dried parsley flakes, paprika, meat season, and black pepper. I also have olive oil, and we have our chicken breast, of course. I already went ahead and I slit each chicken breast, not all the way through, because we're gonna be stuffing those. Okay, so first I'm gonna be adding the oil on our chicken, just basting it with the oil just to ensure that the seasons stick to our chicken. You're also gonna go on the inside of your chicken and also the back. Now here guys, I'm just combining the season together just so that it's easier when placing it on the chicken. So I'm gonna be patting the season all over the chicken. We're gonna go inside that slit, we're gonna flip our chicken, and we're also gonna season it, guys. Okay, we're talking about flavor. Our chicken needs to have flavor. Okay. Now I'm gonna be placing some of that goat cheese in the breast. Then we're going in with spinach. Also guys, you can go ahead and combine all the ingredients together, like the spinach, the goat cheese, the mozzarella cheese, and also the sun-dried tomatoes. You can combine everything together. I just didn't want to do that. Okay, so yeah, just go ahead and add all four of your ingredients. So this is how our chicken breast look after seasoning and stuffing it. This is how it looks, guys. So we're gonna go over to the stove and sear this. Now in a skillet on medium to low heat, guys, I'm adding olive oil and ensure that the the heat isn't too high, guys, because remember, olive oil, it burns so easily. Okay, so just ensure that your heat is low. Okay, so we're placing our chicken breast there, and we're gonna let this sear for about 3 minutes on each side. Now here I'm flipping the chicken breast over, guys, and you're gonna look for a sear like this, just perfect. Okay, it's not completely cooked as yet. After turning it, I will be finishing them in the oven for about another 2 minutes because it is chicken breast. It's one of the easiest part of the chicken to cook, so it's, super easy to cook. So this is how beautiful our chicken breast be looking, guys. Just look at that, just amazing. Whoa. As I mentioned, guys, I'm going to take this from the stove and it's not fully cooked as yet. Yeah, we're going to be placing those in the oven for 2 minutes, no longer, and ensure that your oven is also preheated before. Now, guys, this is our chicken breast after being in the oven for 2 minutes. Fully cooked, beautiful. It's not dried out. It was just perfect, juicy, tender. It was amazing, guys. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. The recipe will be linked in my description below, so please be sure to check that out. Remember to like, comment, share, guys, and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much for stopping by to watch another amazing video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.